Aside po kay dating Senador Nicky Cositeng mga kababayan at ni Cathy Binag na may first-hand information po sa pagiging adictus benedictus di umano ni BBM, ay mayroon pa pong lumabas sa isa mga kababayan. Isang high profile na tao na sinabi na rin na alam niya ang pagiging addict ni BBM. Dahil hindi lang po chismis mga kababayan ha na sabi-sabi, ang sabi niya, first-hand information daw mga kababayan dahil alam niya dahil pareho sila ng paaralan ni BBM. Pareho silang nag-enroll sa De La Salle University at pareho din silang nag-aral sa Oxford University. At alam niyo ba kung ano ang sabi niya? Ang tao pong ito mga kababayan ha, ang kanyang pangalan po mga kababayan ay si Vicente Rafael, isang historian na dilawan. Oh, dilawan pa yan mga kababayan ha. Di ba kampi na sila sa mga dilaw? Apparently mga kababayan, nananatili itong anti-Marcos siguro mga kababayan, kaya nilaglag si BBM sa interview niya kay Hey Darian. Oh, yung dilawan din mga kababayan na komentarista at kinumpirma niya mga kababayan with all the confidence talaga na gumagamit ng droga si BBM dati and he loves to get high. Sabog mga kababayan, bangag. Love daw ni BBM yan. Panoorin po ninyo ha. By the way mga kababayan, ang video pa lang ito ay credit natin kay Richard J. Hey Darian. Pahiram muna nito ha, Richard Hey Darian, na isang dilawan. Pakikinig muna tayo mga kababayan sa usapang dilaw ha.
This guy is like a cocaine addict.
Sabi ni Hey Darian mga kababayan, grabe, cocaine addict. Binanggit talaga ang word ha, cocaine addict. Si Hey Darian ang nagbanggit niyan mga kababayan.
He has to be taken out.
He's a party boy.
He is a party boy. Ang tinutukoy niya mga kababayan si BBM.
Likes to party.
He likes to party. He likes to party. He likes to get high.
He's a party boy. He likes to party. He likes to get high. He likes to kick back. You know,
kick back.
These are not.
Whoa! Taranta si Hey Darian mga kababayan. Oy, baka nagurgur ang ating channel nito. Takot ka ba Hey Darian?
Whoa, bro! Don't do that!
Huwag mong pigilan. Malamang isa na rin itong si Hey Darian mga kababayan na mga dilawan na kinain ang kanilang sariling suka dahil apparently mga kababayan, parang pinipigilan niya na ipagpatuloy nitong si Vicente Rafael na isang historian mga kababayan na banggitin yung mga pagiging adictus benedictus si BBM.
Oh, it's true. I mean, it's it's not just anecdotal. I mean, there's all kinds.
It's true ha. It's not just anecdotal. Hindi guni-guni o gawa-gawa. It is true.
So first-hand sort of witnesses.
This guy.
First-hand witness daw mga kababayan. Pareho sila ng paaralan sa De La Salle University at sa Oxford University na kung saan hindi gumraduate si BBM doon. Nakatanggap lamang ng special diploma. Ito pala ang umpisa ng kanilang usapan mga kababayan ni Hey Darian at itong historian na si Vicente Rafael.
One of the problems we have with Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is that he's deliberately and temperamentally an anti-Marcos.
Anti-Marcos daw si BBM. Sabi nga mga kababayan, si BBM ang natatanging Marcos na dilawan. Ang ugali mga kababayan. Na-adapt nga ang ugali ng mga dilaw.
In a sense that he constantly tries to avoid confrontation. He constantly tries to avoid to come off as authoritarian, right? Now, you're the historian between the two of us, but from a political scientist point of view, I look at it, it's like, yeah, he's kind of like the most affable, least defensive, least picon. I mean, you mentioned some of them were nice guys. I know they were picon back in the day from, my own. Like, they would...
Ibang-iba sa ama daw nga Marcos mga kababayan. Pero, hindi ba pikon si BBM? Hindi siguro pikon in front ng kababayan, pero ang ganti pa ilalim. Tingnan nyo, ginawa nila kay dating Pangulong Duterte sa pamilya ng mga Duterte mga kababayan, ni Kibuloy, ni Roque, ng mga resource person mga kababayan. Hindi lang pinapakita, siguro.
Call you, though. It's like, they didn't like what you wrote. Like, it's like BBM, he just takes the punches. And he's just
nagpapasuntok lang daw si BBM. Maniniwala kami kung ang sumuntok ay si Admiral.
What's going on with BBM? What is your read of him? Is it timidity? I mean, the term they use is puting, right?
Puting! Nasaan na yung tigre ng norte? Naging kuting ng norte?
we call him Tigre, right? Like from the north. I mean, but his critics call him Kuting. Right?
Kuting,
So, like,
kuting,
yeah, yeah,
kuting.
what's this Kuting phenomenon with BBM? How do you read that? It's
You know,
weird.
he was. I was in LaSalle with him, Green Hills. He was. He was
Dito na mga kababayan ha, pakinggan nyo.
one grade below me, and I used to remember him. He would play soccer, right?
Play soccer.
And his style of playing soccer was completely passive. I mean, it looked like he wasn't really that interested in it because he wasn't interested in the athletic competition. And my sense from stories that you hear is, he's a party boy. He
He's a party boy. Alam niya mga kababayan.
likes to party.
He likes to party.
He doesn't, he likes to sit back and watch Netflix or whatever, with his kids.
Netflix and chill. Oh, with his kids. Ngayon na mga kababayan ha. Pero dati mga kababayan wala pang Netflix. Oh, party boy. Tapos wala lang. Pasaya lang sa buhay. Oh, sa Made in Malacanang palagi ka lang nagpa-party, sabi ni Marcos Sr. sa kanya.
He just enjoys relaxing.
And that, right? He was.
Huh?
And-
Yeah.
Tamad! Oh, ayaw magtrabaho. Dati-rati pa mga kababayan, kaya huwag kayong magtaka kung ngayon mga kababayan. Talagang, sabi ni Sara Duterte, parang wala tayong presidente.
Sorry, right?
Yeah, right. At one point in his life, I don't know if he still does it. He liked to get high.
He likes to get high. Oh,
He liked to kick back.
kick back. Yan ang term mga kababayan, yung high, down, tapos high na naman. Oh, ganyan. Up, down yung mga feeling mga kababayan. Pag wala ng epekto, gamit na naman para mag-kick back. Oh.
These are not.
Whoa,
these are not
whoa! We said that. Whoa, bro! Don't do that.
See? Oh, pati si Hidarian mga kababayan, umalma. Tingnan nyo. Hindi naman siguro magsisinungaling ito mga kababayan dahil may first-hand information siya. At mataas na rin ang kanyang naabot mga kababayan taong ito. Although dilawan yan. Pero isa siyang historian mga kababayan. Batikang historian.
Oh, it's
Oh, alam niya ang history ni BBM.
true. I mean, it's
it's true.
It's not just anecdotal. I mean, there's all kinds of first-hand sort of witnesses to his proclivities, as it were. You should hear the stories about Oxford, etc.
Oh, mayroon pa palang mga ginagawa dito doon si BBM mga kababayan sa Oxford na hindi nyo alam. Alam niya dahil pareho sila ng paaralan sa Oxford.
But anyway, so that's my experience.
Wait. To the degree that you can share, can you tell me a little bit about Oxford? Because I watch his. I'm sorry, I didn't watch the Ricky, but he has some vlogs about Oxford, and then he just talks about Isaiah Berlin was here. This is the Great Hall of this. Medyo ganun yung conversation niya.
Rolling Stones.
Yeah. No, one of my colleagues was in Oxford with him, and there's stories about him getting drunk and driving around Oxford and lying down on the street.
Humiga pa sa mga kababayan sa kalsada si BBM daw.
And so forth. But as I said, all of this is really all about how.
Alam niya mga kababayan ha. Although, hindi talaga sila magkaibigan pero may colleague siya mga kababayan na friend ni BBM. At yun ang may first-hand information tungkol dito. Sa pagiging high ni BBM daw di umano.
He always liked to party. I don't think he ever took his life seriously. And if it wasn't
He
for
likes
his
to
mother,
party. Oh, kaya nga, wag kayong magtaka. Lagi nang magkonserto sa Malacanang. Party. Duran-duran.
I don't think he'd want to be president. He's just not, personality-wise, he's just not given to commanding, as it were.
Oh, bakit nyo pinilit? Oh, kung ayaw. Hindi kaya ng personality mga kababayan. Ito ang resulta. Nagkandalatsa-latsa na ang ating bansa.
He's more given to following, right? So, and in this case, he was following his mother, who wanted him to say the name, which is probably why Amy
Ano yan? Parang Manchurian candidate.
is so resentful
Bitter.
because she feels that she should have been the one, right? That
Kaya pala mga kababayan, no? May nagparinig dati nung eleksyon na mayroon lang Manchurian candidate. Isa daw sa kanilang tumatakbong presidente is Manchurian candidate. Si BBM pala ang tinutukoy nun.
he was much more serious and much more intelligent, and there's some
Nakita niyo yung Manchurian candidate? Yung movie?
truth to that. So Yeah. So if Duterte was a sovereign trickster, BBM was maybe a sovereign party boy.
Sovereign party boy.
Playboy or party boy. I mean,
Party boy.
I've heard things from different ambassadors, Latin American ambassadors, like,
Yeah.
whoa, this is like Macondo. Like, these are like
exactly.
Macondo stories. Don't tell me shit.
Yeah. I
Takot si Hidarian, mga kababayan.
wish Nick Joaquin was still around. Boy, he could really,
Oh.
write something
Oy, Nick Joaquin. Mistigo ka
about
naman.
BBM.
Well, I hope we can piece it together. But thanks to you, I mean, this was I mean, I know your LaSalle background and all that, but I didn't know you were like just 1 year apart and watching play football. I mean, that's so corny.
Yeah.
Sa
It's
Lasal,
such
a-
dati.
Yeah, and he was always surrounded by bodyguards and everything. I was,
Natural, syempre. Anak ng presidente.
So, the Kuting hypothesis makes sense.
Absolutely.
It's chill.
Oh, tama nga pala daw, mga kababayan. Agree sila na tawagin kuting.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, I mean, his wife,
Oh,
right?
si Admiral Lisa.
She's the powerhouse.
Oh.
She's the one that pushes him.
So, eto na, mga kababayan, kilalang kilala si BBM from Inside Out. Alam na si Lisa ang nagmamando, mga kababayan. Ah,
Right? Which is why everybody targets her because they know.
natural. Dahil wala siyang mandato. Tapos kung makaasta parang presidente, tatargetin ka talaga.
I mean, Sara Duterte is not going to waste her time, going after BBM. She goes after Lisa.
So, anong masasabi niyo dito, mga kababayan? Na, dilawang historian na schoolmate ni BBM. Sinabi na rin, alam niya na Addictus Benedictus si Ngagva. Ano masasabi niyo dito? Post your comments below.